So today I want to show you how to crochet this cute and quick little mesh hairband. I will show you the whole process from start to finish, exactly how to crochet this. So let's begin. First, a little about the materials. For the yarn, I have used a 100% cotton yarn in a size fine weight 2. Then I've used a crochet hook of 3 millimeters, then a tapestry needle and some scissors. First, we begin with a slip knot. To make a loop with your yarn, take the long end of the yarn behind the loop, grab it from the middle with your hook and pull. And then we create a chain. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through. And you just keep chaining until you have 25 centimeters in total. So now when we have 25 centimeters, we will now begin working into the chains. So you skip the first 2 chains and work a double crochet in the 3rd chain. So yarn over and then insert the hook into the 3rd chain from your hook. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, 2, yarn over, pull through, 2. That's a double crochet. Now we want to work another double crochet into this chain. So yarn over and insert the hook into the same gap again and work another double crochet. So now we worked 2 double crochet into this gap. We want to work 5 double crochet in total. So just do another one. So you have 3 double crochet and then another 2 double crochet. So you have 5 in total. So that's it. So now you have 5 double crochet right here. So now you chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we turn the work. And then we just worked in this first stitch right here. You can see it follows up right here. So we want to work a double crochet in the next stitch. So in this one. So yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch and double crochet. Then we made this little gap. Then chain 1, find your next stitch, this one, yarn over, insert the hook into this stitch and double crochet. And chain 1 and work a double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1 and a double crochet in the next stitch. And then chain 1, and then you find this little chain 3 from the beginning. You'll now work a double crochet into this as the final stitch of this row. So finish with a double crochet in the last one. So that's the second row. Now you chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn. And then we work a double crochet into the first of our stitches. So we skip all these gaps. We won't be working into those. We will just be working into the double crochets from the previous row. So just yarn over and insert the hook into the first stitch and double crochet. Then chain 1. Then find your next stitch. Just skip the gaps and do a double crochet into the next stitch. Then chain 1. Skip the next gap and work a double crochet into the next stitch. Then chain 1. Work a double crochet in the next. And finally, chain 1, and then find your little chains out here all the way at the end and work a double crochet all the way at the edge of this. And that's it. And the row you just did is the row we will be repeating. So again, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Then you turn the work, and then you work the same way as you did on the previous row. You yarn over and insert the hook into the next stitch, so you'll still be skipping all the gaps. You just chain 1 and work a double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1, work a double crochet in the next, and so on. And then you will be working a double crochet all the way out here to finish the row. Then just repeat this back and forth again and again until you have the desired length of your headband. I continued until this part measures 25 centimeters as well, just like this. You can measure it and make sure it goes from one ear to the other. And then you can do the final rounds just like those down here. So when you finish it, you chain 2 and then turn. And then you will crochet into these gaps and into these stitches. So yarn over and insert the hook into the first gap and double crochet. And then a double crochet into this stitch on top. And then a double crochet directly into the gap between the stitches. Then a double crochet on top and continue all the way across with one double crochet in each stitch. When you're all the way across, you chain 2 and turn. And then we need to pull these tighter together. So we do two double crochet together on each stitch. So you yarn over, insert the hook into the first stitch, and almost finish the stitch, just until you have 2 loops left. Then you yarn over and insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. So you have 3 loops on the hook. Then you yarn over and pull through all 3. And again, yarn over, insert in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and then stop. So you have 2 loops left. Then you begin the next stitch, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. So you have 3 loops left on your hook. And then you yarn over and pull through all 3. Then you see you are pulling the stitches together. Continue all the way across with decreasing the stitches. So that's it. Now I will just simply turn, and then I will work 1 slip stitch and then another slip stitch just to go into the middle of this piece. Now I am at the middle, and I will now chain just like down at the beginning. Just keep chaining like so until you have 25 centimeters, just like in the beginning. When we have the straps all done, I will now cut the yarn. So simply grab your scissors and cut it, and then pull this loop through just with your hook. And then we will tighten this. So just take your nail or finger, just pull this in and on the other one as well. So just pull them tight, and then you can cut this yarn. And that's it. So now you have your cute little mesh hairband. So I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you did, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!